इस्लामाबाद में चेयरमैन सेनेट यूसुफ रजा गिलानी तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं। आइए आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं।
Loss is our collective loss. It is not only you who have lost fathers, brothers, and sons. Pakistan has lost brave men and women, but we stand ever more determined and resolute to maintain peace and stability no matter what the cost. We stand with you in solidarity, committed to supporting you in whatever way we can. Ladies and gentlemen, this event not only acknowledges the invaluable contributions of a police force, but also emphasizes the importance of health and fitness in a society. As we pay tribute to our heroes, let us also reflect the fact that the physical activity is essential not only for individual well-being but also for reducing the overall disease burden in our communities. Individuals who engage in regular physical activity have a statistically significant low risk of developing chronic conditions such as cardiovascular diseases and diabetes. This underscores the need for initiatives that promote health and fitness within our community. Today, Gala features an array of activities designed to encourage wellness. This provides wonderful opportunity to all participants to prioritize their health while enjoying their dedicated to fitness. To build upon this momentum, I strongly believe in increased public-private partnerships like today event, since health and fitness are not individual but collective issues. I urge the private sector to come forward and take in this national cause. In this regard, I deem it pertinent to highlight some crucial measures and steps to promote healthy societies. Firstly, it is imperative to encourage community health programs, offer free screenings, consultations, and fitness classes in collaboration with local health provisions. Another important area pertains to integrating physical education and wellness programs into school curricula, instill healthy habits from young age. And last but not least, public awareness campaigns play an important role in highlighting the benefits of physical activity through social media, workshops, and community events. Ladies and gentlemen, as we honor our police force today, let us also commit ourselves to fostering a culture of health and wellness in Pakistan. Let us join hands to create a healthier society where every citizen has access to resources they need for fulfilling life. I once again thank you for your dedication and commitment in building healthier future of our citizens. आज गवर्नर साहब और दूसरे स्टेज से बात हुई और ये फिटनेस के लिए, तो मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि मैं बहुत यंग एज में आई वॉज वन ऑफ द यंगेस्ट स्पीकर इन द वर्ल्ड। उस वक्त मैं एक हॉस्पिटल में किसी को पूछने गया, तो वहाँ का जो सीईओ था वहाँ आगा खान हॉस्पिटल, उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि आप रोज़ आते हैं पूछने के लिए, आप अपना एग्जीक्यूटिव चेकअप क्यों नहीं कराते? जैसे हम सब कहते हैं हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है, तो मैंने कहा मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, मैं हर वक्त प्रिजाइड करता हूँ स्पीकर एज अ स्पीकर। तो
चेयरमैन सेनेट सैयद यूसुफ रजा गिलानी इस्लामाबाद में तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे, जिसमें वो सेहत आम के हवाले से ब्रीफ कर रहे थे। यहाँ